There's the Chanel store.
in the corner.
Bulgari, Dior. Ta-da! Bulgari,
Here is the other side.
Dior.
Yes.
I don't know.
When I checked on the left, it was
Oh, really?
I'm not sure. Oh,
Gucci is here. And Gucci. Okay, it's here.
that's the one.
And then that is where the Hermes is at. Which one? I will go there. It's next to Pinko and Fendi. Across Louis Vuitton. Here's Rolex. Oh, Chaumet is on the other side. Rolex, Van Cleef, and Hermes and Fendi. Yay! We're here.
Oh, look, they are showing you.
Oh yeah. There's no prices though. Oh wow, look at this. Ta-da! And there's the line. Hello, this is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. This is going to be a quick unboxing of what I got in Barcelona, Hermes. Because we are in a tight schedule right now, we're gonna go to Nice. So, it's not the bag, as you can see. And then, I have a new one. So this one, I'm going to just show it to you. I got a new Twilly for the Birkin. So I only have one, but then I'm kind of like thinking I'm going to get another one, but I'm going to put a clip on here after this one of what it is. We have a new Twilly from Barcelona. Yay! The shoes that I'm kind of like wanting. Ta-da! And then this one is called, it's a bouncing sneaker. So yeah, so it's a leather, and then what's that? Alcantara. So yeah, it's white, and then there's an H on this one, and then there you go. So that this one I can really use for work. So, and then there's another one here. Ta-da! How do you like it? Take a picture of it. Hopefully you like this video. It's going to be short and sweet, and then I do have extra laces on this one, and then probably this one is the white one.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can change it to a white
That's
one
cool.
too. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Thank you, Barcelona. It was a wonderful time here, and then we'll show you around what we've been doing here in Barcelona, and then we're heading to Nice and Monaco. We'll see you again. Bye.